Something with an H, right? That's what I thought. Something with an H. Where would an H be? See what I mean by the mob squad? Like, jeez. These people don't mess around. That's what they're here for. I don't know. But that is what determines if the sun is going to come back or not. Because it's smart enough to know when to stop. It knows when to stop. Honestly, it will stop killing the sun, and it leaves it whenever things are supposed to like not be able to do that necessarily normally. So it lets go of the sun so the sun can blow back up like a balloon. Now tell me why it's saying that you want to do this, and literally once it's out, then that's really how it works. All of the books are wrong. You're stuck with a chunk of rock. Maybe the size of, not very big. We saw it the other day. It was like almost like a light. That's it. But it wasn't glowing, it wasn't fusing. It was just an object. That scared me. That's why things get so bright. That means that it's a star. That's how they do it. They say, how bright is it? Oh, that's bright enough. That's a star. Well, that star that wasn't fusing wasn't bright. It just looked like an actual rock. Maybe that's what a comet actually is. Right? I don't know. I can only imagine if it was just like a piece of white gold, like a stone. How could you turn that into a projectile? This is why it's like, I honestly think someone's hacking the phone and messing up its, its focus. So like the Mayan calendars, they have, that's a foul ball. Talking about the Egyptian eyes. Those lines are very important. Look what happened to the time. It's already 3 o'clock. Jesus. Are you the timekeeper? Oh wow, it's Leo. Jeez. What's up? Third eye? Oh, give me a sign? So cool. My first spirit guide response. Wow. Now you get it. That's exactly what I was trying to do. You're awesome. Wow, look at this eye. I don't think you can see, but there is a, I don't know, it's not, it is invisible, but it is visible, probably because particles, and it's got its own rotation like a sphere. That thing is trying to fuse and turn into a star. Isn't that cool? You know, whenever they say star clusters, here's your star cluster. Those are nebulas. I guess people who know what a nebula is. So it's like, yeah, we've heard about star clusters, like the beehive. Earth has been inside of that one. And it looks just like a beehive. And that goes through the heart of Cancer, literally physically through a heart area of where the crab would be, which is new stars were being formed right in my backyard. People didn't understand, probably because it was so freaking blurry, but that's how the stars start. And guess what? They would ignite, they would fuse, just for a little bit. They were just playing. It was so cool. And then here's the grand finale. Last night, that star that ended the night, what if that's how the stars come? Now this is tough, but there was some sort of a substance. I'm not sure if the sun was, not the sun, but that star was emitting that, or was it trying to pull it towards itself? Because that's how it works. It's basically mixing up and evolving. The thing is, we don't know what they used to look like, but they didn't have eyes a while back. And they could have possibly all got like impregnated by the eye. It's very cool. And now all of them have eyes. And it's like everything's waking up. Will be continued in the Book of Brandon.